Heads up, based on the news article from yesterday, July 15, 2025, ICE is ramping up mass deportations and they're doing it by going after your housing records. They're sending subpoenas to landlords and property managers, demanding lease agreements, rental applications, and tenant information. Basically, anything that helps them locate undocumented renters in the United States. Eric Tusink, an Atlanta area real estate attorney, said several clients recently received subpoenas asking for entire files for tenants and information on other people who may have lived with them. But here's the wild part. These subpoenas, they're not signed by a judge. They're signed by USCIS officers, meaning they're not court ordered, just agency demands, which could violate the Fair Housing Act, which prohibits discrimination on the basis of race, color, or national origin if landlords comply. ICE is banking on landlords not knowing the difference or being too scared to push back. And sadly, some are cooperating and not knowing that they could also challenge these subpoenas by filing a motion in federal court to quash the subpoena if the subpoena is vague, overly broad, or seems unlawful. Now, it is unclear how widely the subpoenas were issued, but this could signal a new front in this administration's efforts to locate people who are in the United States illegally. Now, if you rent, remember that you do have rights. You do not have to let ICE come into your home without a warrant signed by a judge. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to give up any of your documents, passport, EAD cards, all that stuff. And you don't have to answer any questions without a lawyer. Now, on the other hand, if you are a landlord, you are not required to comply with these fake subpoenas. Don't be ICE's tool. Now, call the law offices of Stephanie M. Gwynn today for any of your U.S. immigration needs.